Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing the TI-Nspire CX II for a reset. Back up all documents and lists to your computer using USB and TI-Nspire computer link software. Save important files in a folder and confirm transfers finished successfully. Charge the calculator battery to at least 50% to avoid interruption. Locate the recessed reset hole on the back of the device and keep a small paperclip or SIM tool nearby. Confirm you have the computer and cable ready before proceeding to reset steps. Perform a soft restart first to clear temporary memory without deleting documents. Insert the paperclip into the recessed reset hole and press gently for about 3 seconds. Release the button and wait for the device to reboot fully to the home screen. This soft restart clears RAM and any running processes while preserving saved files and installed applications. Verify your documents remain available by opening a sample file from My Documents after the restart. If issues persist, proceed to the factory reset instructions. Use a factory reset only when you want to clear all user data and settings. First, confirm backups exist on your computer since the factory reset deletes all documents permanently. Connect the calculator to your computer with the USB cable and open TI-Nspire Computer Link or TI-Nspire Student Software. Use the software restore or reinstall OS function to return the device to default factory state. Follow on-screen prompts and wait until the process completes. Disconnect the cable after the software confirms the factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.